Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add a consent field in your contact forms in WordPress. For this video tutorial, we are going to use Forminator forms. So before getting started, make sure to install and activate the Forminator forms plugin. Now to add the consent field, hover onto Forminator and click on Forms. This is the Forminator forms window and you can either create a new form or edit an existing one as per your requirements. To insert the consent field, simply click on the Insert Fields button and select the consent field from the various fields available here. Now here you can configure various field settings, like you can edit the label and also edit the text here and describe what your users should consent to. Under the Settings tab, you can make this field mandatory or optional, it's up to you. You can even customize the message over here. Once done, simply click on Apply button. Now let's update the form. You can see this is how the field works. So this is how easy it is to add a consent field in Forminator forms in WordPress. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.